In entry level, a fresher can expect around 10 to 15 LPA in data
So,
science.
Anshuman, any interview tricks would you like
In
to share?
interview, when you are explaining your projects to the interviewer, make sure of 3 points like what was the problem statement, how did you approach it, and what impact it has created. So these keeping these 3 points, set a framework in your mind and explain your projects to the interviewer. So it will have a very good impact.
Anshuman, any tricks for job
I
platforms?
will say keep updating your profiles on LinkedIn and Naukri, because updating your profile, it will keep your profile on the top so that recruiter will reach out to you easily.
Anshuman, what are recommended projects?
So, as a data scientist, I have worked on several projects like demand forecasting, market mix modeling, routing optimization, and some of that from GenAI and agentic AI. I have projects from various backgrounds, so you can have these projects in your resume.
Anshuman, resume tricks would you like to share?
So, from resume point of view, I will say don't mention too much projects. Mention top three projects of your what you have worked on, and in every project mention the problem statement and as well as what impact your project has created. Like you can also quantify those numbers in terms of like percentage or in terms of KPI. What KPI is like? Suppose, for example, suppose I am working on a demand forecasting project. So I'll say what percentage of sales it has increased, or if I'm working on a promo optimization, like how my algorithm improved the promotions of a product, so that I can quantify and add impact on the project.
Unexpected topics.
So in data science, the interview will definitely ask you the basic things like statistics and probability, and along with that, he will go with some traditional algorithms like regression, classification, some tree-based algorithms. On the top of that, now the trending topics are GenAI, agentic AI, as well as RAG, and using different tools like LangChain, LangGraph.
Anshuman, recommended resources.
If you are exploring some free resources, then I will definitely recommend you the StartQuest YouTube channel if you are a beginner to data science. For machine learning algos and implementation point of view, you can follow 100 as machine learning from Campus X YouTube channel.
Anshuman, is DSA
Yeah,
required?
in certain cases, it's required. You need to solve maybe easy to medium level questions from lit code, because in some interviews, the interviewers ask questions from string like greedy algorithms, some recursion problems. So yeah, so it is required, but like in easy to medium level, not that much higher level.
Anshuman, how did you get into triple
From
ITB?
obviously from JEE, from the rank I got an admission to triple ITV.
Anshuman, do you think AI will replace you?
From a data scientist point of view, while solving a problem, so basically designing the solution, designing the architecture, strategizing the thing. So that things I do on my own. And yes, obviously, like implementing the solution with code. So in that case, I definitely leverage AI. So that actually saves a lot of time of mine and resources as well. So basically, I leverage AI for implementation point of view, but the designing things and all, that's still I owe that. So I don't give that control to the LLMs.
Anshuman, tell us about your lead
Yeah.
code.
So in college, actually, I used to solve DSA from lit code on a daily basis. So now I don't get time to solve daily, but yeah, weekly I solve, and I used to also solve different data science problems from Kaggle. So getting the data set from there and reading the problem and submitting your solution. So that is much interesting thing.
Anshuman, how did you get your
From
first?
college, I got selected in campus placement in Tiger Analytics, but my role was their data analyst. But the project exposure I got there was mostly based upon data science and machine learning. So from that, from Tiger Analytics only, I got the exposure of data science and machine learning.